Morning children, how are you all? Good morning everybody. This is Mrs. Sujata Ratnakar, a teacher for your subject EVS class 4. Children, before going to the chapter, I just suggest you to please open your book page number 186, page number 186. Okay, internal organs. This is the video number 4. This is the video number 4 of lesson 1, internal organs. So children, in last period we have discussed about the brain and heart. So let's go to discuss some points about the heart again. We go to recap. So children, I already told that the function of heart is pumps the blood. Okay, the function of the heart is pumps the blood. It collects the blood from our body through the veins. Okay, after purification to the heart, it is coming to the heart. Okay, and after purification, the blood will go through the arteries. It is going through the arteries and it is sending to the whole part of our body. So these are the two main work and main function of the heart. Okay children, and it is divided into 4 chambers also. Okay, so now let's go to lungs. Okay, what is lungs, where it is located in our body, and what is the main function of lungs. Okay, so we have to discuss now. So please children, give attention. Lungs, see here, I will show you here which is the lungs. Which are the lungs? Tell me, who can say? Here. These two are called lungs. Okay, these lungs are how it is looking. Okay, this much big like a bags. Yes or no children? So yes, that is correct, that it is looking like a spongy bags, and real it is a spongy bags only, and it is filled of air. It is filled of air only. इसके अंदर सिर्फ air भरा हुआ रहता है. Because I will tell you later. Because and it is present on the both side of heart. It is present on the both side of heart. ये हार्ट के दोनों तरफ रहता है और ये स्पंजी बैग टाइप का है, और इसमें क्या भरे रहता है? ओनली हवा, एयर भरे रहता है. अंडरस्टूड चिल्ड्रन? एंड व्हाट इज द फंक्शन ऑफ लंग्स? टेल मी. यस, दे हेल्प अस इन taking in oxygen and giving out the carbon dioxide. Do you know children, what in breathing process what we are taking inside of our body? Oxygen. Yes or no? Oxygen. So through the lungs only, with the help of lungs only, through the nose we are taking the oxygen. Okay, the side of nose only, nose के द्वारा हम lungs में ले जाते हैं अपना ऑक्सीजन को. वहाँ क्या होता है? प्यूरिफाई होता है हमारा वो ऑक्सीजन, और वो पूरा बॉडी को भेजता है. ठीक है, आफ्टर प्यूरिफिकेशन द ऑक्सीजनेटेड ऑक्सीजन इट विल मिक्स विद द ब्लड. समझ में आया? ये ऑक्सीजन को जो हम लेते हैं, ब्रीथ इन करते हैं, वो लंग्स में प्यूरिफाई होता है, साफ होता है. उसके बाद वो ऑक्सीजन हमारा ब्लड में मिलता है. ओके, by mixing this oxygenated blood only circulating the whole part of our body. Afterwards, उसके बाद हम क्या छोड़ते हैं? हम क्या ब्रीथ आउट करते हैं अपने जो नोज की तरफ से? यस, कार्बन डाइऑक्साइड, है ना. हम लेते हैं ऑक्सीजन एंड छोड़ते हैं कार्बन डाइऑक्साइड. देन do you know children, ever you think that carbon dioxide we are taking oxygen, but from where carbon dioxide is coming out? Yes, see, we are taking oxygen, but with the oxygen there are so many gases, there are impure gases also going, and in our body also so much impure things are available. So these are, by mixing after purification, the oxygen is mixing with the blood and it is circulating whole the body, but the impure things and the impure oxygen like carbon dioxide and other gases, it is coming throughout the nose. समझ में आया? तो ये क्या होता है चिल्ड्रन, हमारे नोज से लेकर लंग्स तक एक पाइप बना हुआ रहता है। समझ में आया? एक पाइप बना हुआ रहता है। एक वो पाइप बिना दो टाइप का डिवाइड हो जाता है। समझ में आया? इट इज डिवाइडेड इनटू टू पार्ट। वन पाइप इज connected with the nose to lungs, and the pipe only divided into two parts. The pipe only divided into two parts. Okay, from one part oxygen is coming, okay, inside, coming into the lungs. After purification it is going to the whole the part of our body. After that impure gases, okay, like carbon dioxide, it is going through the another pipe of the nose, okay, which is connected to the lungs. Okay children, so what I will tell you, the waste substances, जितना भी हमारे शरीर में जितने भी वेस्टेज हैं, तो ये like carbon dioxide and other gases are passed through this vessels only, through this pipe only. Understood? And more one thing children, then to lungs and are expelled through nose. This is how breathing takes place in our body. तो lungs only ये breathing process को take place करता है। समझ में आएगा चिल्ड्रन लंग्स के बारे में? अगर कुछ डाउट है तो you read the book properly, then you can understand easily, you can clear. Okay? So children, now next we will come to liver. We will come to liver. Okay, now any doubt children about the lungs? Just you have to remember that lungs is the main internal organs of our body. Again I have to tell you. Okay, it is the two spongy bags, and it is located at the two sides. It present at the both side of heart. Okay, and it is fulfilled with air. Okay, one tube pipe is connected with the nose to lungs, and it is also divided into two parts. Okay, through this only the oxygen is coming. After purification it is mixing with the blood, and it is going to whole the part of our body. After that impure oxygen, like impure gases like waste substances, carbon dioxide, okay, these are the gases which comes out through the nose only. Okay, that is the process of breathing, breathe out. Understood children? Okay, now come to liver. Okay, so what is liver? हम इसको हिंदी में कलेजा भी कहते हैं, कलेजा। ठीक है, हमारे अंदर भी कलेजा है। See children, here it is liver. See what is the shape of liver? Okay, it is the larger organ located just below the rib cage. ये क्या है ना बच्चे, सबसे जितने भी इंटरनल ऑर्गन्स है ना, ये एक बड़ा ऑर्गन्स है। ठीक है, ये एक बड़ा ऑर्गन्स ऑफ अवर, लार्ज ऑर्गन्स ऑफ अवर बॉडी। ओके चिल्ड्रन, दिस इज द लीवर एंड इट इज लोकेटेड जस्ट बिलो द रिब केज। उसके बारे में और हम आगे पढ़ेंगे। द लीवर हेल्प्स इन द डाइजेशन एंड अब्जॉर्प्शन ऑफ फूड। लीवर का काम क्या होता है बेटा, जो हम खाना खाते हैं फूड, उसको डाइजेशन करने में वो मदद करता है। ठीक है, जैसे इट सेव्स द बॉडी फ्रॉम पॉइजनस एंड केमिकल टॉक्सिन्स फॉर्म इनसाइड द बॉडी बाय मेकिंग देम हार्मलेस। मतलब जितने भी बॉडी में हम खाना खाते हैं, जितने भी हार्मफुल चीज़ हमारे बॉडी में जाता है, जितना भी जहरीला चीज़, पॉइजनस चीज़ हमारे शरीर में जाता है, तो वो सबको वो क्या करता है, हार्मलेस कर देता है। ठीक है, प्योर कर देता है, वो सबको ख़त्म कर देता है। मतलब वो लड़ता है उसी के खिलाफ। सिंपली भाषा में हम बोलेंगे तो इट प्रोड्यूस बील विथ द हेल्प्स इन डाइजेशन ऑफ फैट्स। ये क्या है, हम जो खाना खाते हैं उसको डाइजेशन करने के लिए ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा कोशिश करता है। समझ में आया? तो उसके बाद और जो ज़्यादा डाइजेशन नहीं हो पाता है वो तो हमारा टॉयलेट के द्वारा निकल जाता है। समझ में आया? बट इट कीप्स आवर बॉडी टेम्परेचर 37 डिग्री सेल्सियस। जैसे चिल्ड्रन, अभी मैं आपको बताते जा रही हूँ कि हमारा बॉडी का भी एक टेम्परेचर रहता है। जब वो हाई लो कुछ हो जाता है तो वो हमको बुखार आता है ना। हमारा बॉडी टेम्परेचर जैसे बढ़ते जाता है, इंक्रीज होता है, तो हमको बुखार हम फील करते हैं, है ना, हम फीवर फील करते हैं। तो ऐसे ही लीवर जिसका कमजोर नहीं है, जिसका लीवर इज फिट इन देयर बॉडी, so they are always fit. Liver is help us to digest the food whatever we are eating. Okay, liver is help us to digest the food, and whatever the poisonous and toxins things are there, that they making them harmless. Okay children, and it keeps our body temperature 37 degree Celsius. Okay, it is the largest internal organ of the body. It is the largest internal organ of the body, already I told. And it is also called food factory. Food factory. Okay, liver is the food factory. Which is the food factory of our body? Liver is the food factory of our body. Okay children, so it stores the food for the future use also, later use also. Okay children, so are you clear about the liver? So next we will go to stomach and kidney. About the stomach and kidney we will discuss later. About that we will know in next class. Thank you.